you through the top 3 gaming crypto projects right now, okay? So please note after this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. Number 1 on that list, guys, is games for a living, okay? It's actually brought to you by the gaming industry leaders. Now, it's an incredible site where you can actually get involved and start mining, all right? There's loads of games on here, and they are solving as a project the reach issue, okay? Creating an original IP gaming experience that are available across multiple platforms. Guys, the accessibility issue is solved here, building games living network, which means blockchain features can be accessible to everyone, simple, secure login, easy cash in and out, one ecosystem token, and tax management. Amongst the token, right, is the GFAL token. Here's the contract address. Please only use the contract address on the website or a trusted source. So guys, dive into this company, find out how you can get some free mining on there, right? Play some of their games and get involved right now. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is the Myria token, MYRIA. Okay, Myria, I'm not sure how they pronounce it, and it is live right now, okay? If I just click learn more, it's actually gonna take me straight there, so you can come and have a look at what is going on in their ecosystem with their token. So their token is officially live, bringing a step closer to building the ultimate Web3 gaming ecosystem, okay? Adds in-game utility, numerous benefits to its holders, empowering the growth of Web3, enabling the Web3 e-community, okay? It's an ERC20 utility token, fully audited by hacking. The token is used to be transactions for the layer 2 scale prototype. It's lightning fast, all right? You can get involved with Alliance Keys NFT airdrop if you want to. Hit join now. There's over 300,000 members, over 1 million plus registered members, over 500,000 NFTs minted already on the L2, and over 200 plus high quality games on board. Their utility is fantastic. No personal rewards, staking, protocol fee, governance, additional in-game utility, exclusive NFT purchase, and ways to get this. You can go on KuCoin, Uniswap, OKX, okay, and get involved right now getting this token. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is, of course, Ridotto, okay? Reinventing the gaming experience based on transparency, anonymity, security, and fairness. Is the fully scalable alternative to centralized gambling. There's over $1.7 million already in protocol TVL, over 6,830 total users. It's an all-in-one app. You can see here, you can play, build, and earn inside of this blockchain, okay? You can buy RDT. It's currently available on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. RDT is actually becoming one of the biggest blockchain centralized exchanges, okay? So please get it on there. Meet the team if you want to go through them, all right? All of them are doxed and ready to run this up. So guys, this is number 3. Whether you want to do staking, NFT farming, the lottery, or just buy this crypto token, please get involved right now, but do your own research. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.